Good golly, this place is packed. Basically, it's the week before Christmas, and hey, everyone's out in full force. Sunday afternoon, lines at every restaurant that's out the door. Shoppers out in full force, full families, everyone. It's just festive out here. Like, I know America, I like to think they're the king of the holidays, but I'll tell you right now, ain't no way you're going to a mall and it's ever going to be this full again in the United States. Never again. I mean, look at this. Lines for Dairy Queen, of all things. What's this Dairy Queen line? You know what lines up at Dairy Queen in the U.S.? Oh, snap. This looks like fun. You just ride around on these things. The whole mall. Forget about like wheelchairs for old people. I want a dinosaur. I want the three-headed dinosaur. That looks like so much fun. I guarantee you, if I'm old, I do not want to ride a wheelchair, but I will ride one of these suckers. Sumo Nikyo. Oh, unlimited shabu shabu? No, unlimited yakitori for $5.99. Holy smokes. You gotta be kidding me. That is such a crazy good deal. That is basically $10 a person. Unlimited. And I guess U.S. Wagyu, not quite Japanese, but nonetheless, unlimited Japanese barbecue for $10. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. All right, this mall is wild because I think 50% of the outlets here are eateries. Like, that's an eatery, that's an eatery, Zach's Burger, the tea house next door, Gongcha over there, and another one down there. It's like people come here to eat. They love to eat. Shit, I love to eat. By the way, everywhere here in the Philippines, Gcash. That's how people spend their money. Like, if you want to use a credit card, not every place takes it. But Gcash, boom, it works. All it is, it's payment from your cell phone. People get paid into it. People withdraw from it. It's super convenient. And I wish that's something like this in the U.S. I mean, I guess you could use your iPhone to tap it, you connect it to your phone in that way. But this is like down to the smallest vendor, even like street vendor. They take Gcash. You know what I'm saying? So it's even more convenient. cool. This whole row down here is like all the electronic stores. They got MSI, a Sony, a Techno, Oppo, which you guys don't have US, but it's a big cell phone brand here. Over there, they have a PC Express, StormTech. Like if you want to build your own PC. In fact, they even have a Republica Gamers Asus, which is my brand for my laptop. Micro Valley, like this is heaven for me. This is so awesome. Huawei. Why did Luda tell me this place existed? Oh my goodness. It's called Cyber Zone. Makes sense. I thought Cyber was like it's an arcade, but no, this is where all the electronics are. Infinix, iClicks, Signal. I don't know any of these brands, but nonetheless, I am at home here. They have a lot of things here that they don't have in the US. Loaded tater tots, ham and cheese rolls, sausage rolls, what? Even French fries, just the basic French fries. They got that here. Interesting. What is this? Melts. It's like a pizza folded in half. They call it a melt. They have crab salad rolls here. Even soup. What the? Spring rolls. They got 4 kinds of crust, right? Pan crust, mega crunch, I think that's thin. Stuffed crust, sausage stuffed crust, cheesy bites. All right, we're finally on the pizza section. Pretty standard. I think I might actually just get a Supreme. They have a Carbonara Supreme. Dad would love this. Seafood. That would not sell in the US. They're not into that. And okay. They have wings because of Wing Street, which I guess is owned by the same company. Because they do like fried chicken here in the Philippines. They freaking love it. Now that's new. Salted egg fried chicken. I don't know if I'm feeling that adventurous. Baked rice creations. What does that mean? Baked rice. It means it's on a platter of baked rice, I think. Mexican beef, cheesy bacon. It's almost like a rice medley, and of course pasta's here. Nothing too out of the ordinary what I would expect there. What is this? Kit Kat Pops with a creamy milk dip. Kit Kat rolls. This is some crazy mango graham sundae. You know, I might be getting that. That looks good. That looks so good. Lemon cucumber slushy and mango slushy. Alright, I know what I'm getting. Not the rice dish. I'm just going to get Pizza Supreme because I'm actually curious to see if it tastes like American stuff. Not this other stuff that's different. That'll be next time for me.
just got my pizza, the personal pan one, and this is the smallest pizza I've ever seen in my life. I mean, the personal pan pizza in the US is at least maybe 3 times larger. This is my hand. This is, how do I even explain how small this is? I mean, I guess it's a big enough meal for most Filipinos. If this was the US, I don't think people would like it. Now, I did notice here there's a distinct lack of marinara sauce. Very light in sauce. I feel like I want more sauce. All right, let's try it. Let's see how it tastes. Alright. If I were to be honest with you, I feel like they gave me someone else's leftover pizza. Like straight up. Because they told me this would take at least half an hour to get to me because it was busy. And then it came in 10 minutes. I pick it up. This thing, it's not even hot. This pizza, hot cold. I'm biting into it. It's like not even hot. So because of that, I'm already like knocking off half the points. Flavor-wise, without the sauce, I feel like it's missing something. So I need to ask them for like extra pizza sauce. But so far, this does not taste like Pizza Hut pizza from the US. Very different. I mean, you can tell this is not straight from the oven, right? Because cheese pulls, right? It's not. It's cold. Cold pizza. Yikes. This is disappointing.